Hello everyone, welcome to TrackHr. Today, we will see how to mark attendance or check-in and check-out in the site application. First, increase your speaker volume so you can clearly hear and follow the app instructions. Also, make sure the lighting is proper for face recognition. Now, let's see how to do check-in. Open the site application on your phone. Click on the Verify option at the bottom. Hold your phone at arm's length. Move your face according to the instructions given by the app. After the verification is complete, the app will ask for confirmation. Confirm it, and your check-in will be successful. In the same way, you can also do checkout using the app.
Look straight. Face verified successfully.
Thank you.